Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. And in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your TikTok's username and display name. Alright, and as you guys can look in my screen, Gavin, that's basically my display name, and where it says add 1 to step 6, that's my username. Alright, so these are the two names. So I hope you found the difference, like which is the username, which is the display name. And I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change both of it. Now before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, after opening TikTok, click on versus profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to your TikTok's profile page. Now once you're over here, you can see the edit profile button. You want to click on edit profile. Now once you're over here, what you want to do is you can see where it says name. If you want to change your name, you can click on name and change it to whatever thing you want. But after you change your name, at the top right corner you can see the save button. Click on it. And you have to remember, once you change your name, you cannot edit your name or change your name for the 7 days. After 7 days you can do it. Alright, so that's how we change your name. To change your username, you can come back to edit profile and this time choose username. And over here you can change your username to whatever thing you want. After you change it, you can see the save button at the top right corner. Click on it. And for username, once you change your username, you cannot change or edit your username for 30 days. But after 30 days, you can do it again. But yeah, that's how you guys can change your username and your display name on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.